this is the ignition switch that came off my vehicle. It looks very greasy, and people say you can't open these, but I believe you can. Definitely you can. And I reckon if you click that bit off and put tension on it and attack, shit, that bit, here we go. This is a tool I bought when I used to fix phones and all that. Not for a living, but just for mates and so forth. Something's not right here. Wow. I don't know if you can see, but that's quite oily. Shit, something came off. Oh, that's dirty. I don't know if you can see properly, but that is real dirt. Maybe I shouldn't use this sort of tissue, but oh, that's some green stuff. That's probably, I don't know what that is, but I need to somehow, oh shit. Oh, there's a spring in there as well. Oh, I think I ruined it, boys and girls. Crap. Oh well. Well, I'm going to try to fix it. I'm sure if I clean this bit out and then clean all the shit out, all the crap, it should be fine. Or maybe the spring wasn't springy enough, so it wasn't contacting. God knows. I wonder what's underneath here. Can we take it off? Oh, oh, I just lost something. Oh God. Don't know where it is. Here it is. It's a small, dinky little spring. So this comes off like so. And what then? I have no idea. But I'm sure. Oh, here we go. Look at all that stuff. That's where all the magic happens. Ah, yeah. It's all the contacts. I reckon it just needs a good clean. And we should be able to salvage this. Oh yeah, look at that. Oof. Yeah. I reckon that's all it was. Build up of gunk and dirt. I've noticed, very hard to see, but right there's this gunk goo. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but there's, I don't know what it is, some kind of gunk goo that's catching it. And if I use this little toothpick, I may be able to scrape some of that crap out, but it's so... Look, do you see that? That's just old plastic shrapnels and grease. And there's loads of it. So it's really gooey. So I need to, maybe, I won't advise you to do this indoors. I will say be very cautious when applying it. If I can bloody get it off. My missus is going to kill me. Hopefully she doesn't hear. Oh, God damn, it stinks. Oh, it's all over my hands. I need to pause. Yeah, that's not advisable. I'm going to actually take it outside and spray it, because indoors it's too stinky and I'm leaving all residue everywhere. But I want to spray the whole contacts So there's none of that sticky kiki. Maybe you could, it's right there. Don't know if you can see that. There's a little pin somewhere there. I need a light. Do you know that? Maybe I'll get this. Oh shoot, I almost burnt my eyes. Right there, do you see that? There's the little metal thing. Maybe I could do it somehow. It's really difficult to do. There. There was goo built up there. But it looks clear now. So I'm going to go outside, give it a good clean. And then hopefully that resolves the gunk and gooiness. And I'll have effectively a refurbished or renew or remanufactured whatever this bad boy is. Ignition switch. Oh, and I also need to spray. I left it for 3 nights, and the carb cleaner just disappeared. Literally. It's kind of just, yeah, the gooey shit's still there. Not good. This is a spindle, right? Brass bearing that spins around, allows it to pivot. I have no idea what this all does. Why we got this little entrapment here, comes apart. But I'm sure it all serves a purpose. So I'm going to put all of this in here, like so, and blast this to smithereens. Again. Focus is back. Okay, now it's been cleaned. There's no gunk, there's no goo. Nice and fresh. I'm going to empty out these contents into here and give it a good old soak. Like so. We'll take it outside, give it a few more sprays. Well, I sprayed it a few times, and it looks so much better. Especially, you can see all the dirt and the colour of the water. It's almost cloudy grey. So it's breaking up all the crap that's accumulated over the years, over the 12 years. But this particularly spins a lot freely. Let's see how much dirt comes off. Should be 4 of these pins. And then 4 little screws. Oh, I'm very nervous about these. Oh, they're all together. Oh God, I hope I didn't damage them. But you could tell how cloudy the water is. And I think that's just from here. So let that spin in there for a bit, kill all the crap out, and then we should be able to put it back together. I'm using this little device. Let's inspect these. They're not scored. They're fairly marked up, but they seem good to reuse. Again, I'm no expert at this, but I'm just going on my instincts. So I'm going to put them back shortly. I need to now somehow, holding this, insert each pin, I'm really nervous, into these slots. First one in. And then before anything, I need to spray it up with a particular grease. But it's also anti-corrosive grease. Quite expensive. If you can afford it, I'll highly recommend you get it. But I don't like that. Something's there. Some kind of bouncing, but right back. Well, this ain't happy. When I got it out, they weren't as springy. But now, oh, sugar. But now they seem very, oh, shite, you bastard. So hard not to swear. Guess it's a British in me. Go on, you little cat. There we go, that's in. Got them 4 in. So whilst they're in, what I want to do, what I should do, is spray this. It's Contact 61. It's a really good anti-corrosion lubricant for contacts. It's expensive, but if you can afford it, I'll say give it a shot and just spray it up. Again, it stinks and it's not wise to use indoors, so hopefully Mel ain't about and she won't know. So just give it some like this. Oh shit, I think I've overdone it. I have. Damn it! Seriously stinks. I just want to get it inside the pins. And just let it sit for a minute so it lubricates it, and hopefully it just stays there. Oh, it also evaporates. That's cool. So I let it stay, let it settle, and then wait for this thing to clear up, and I'll put it back together shortly. Got a new tissue, pull it upside down, and you can see all the old dark plastic residuals coming off, and I think they all accumulate and eventually go into the contacts, and over time that's what happens. So you can see it's quite filthy, but it's pre-sprayed, the spray's still there, so we can put it back together again. If I remember right, the white arrow was pointing south, so if I put that through the pin, I don't know if you could see, like so, and just very carefully place it in. But now there's a bit of give. It never had that before. Now we're going to place the top like so. And there you go. And that should do the trick. And the pins that go from underneath, just kind of secure it in, because otherwise it's quite loose. There's not much holding it on. So now I have a spare ignition switch, should I need it. It'd be good to test it out, but I'm not taking it apart again and doing that all again, and my car at the moment is working fine, so I'm happy with it. So guys, go for it.